Hi. Knowing the state of mammalian cells, in particular neural cells, depends on advances in nanotechnology based interfaces. Nanotechnology offers new technical possibilities to unravel the connectivity roots of the nervous system by adding nanoscale features for a more intimate interface. Non invasive microelectrodes of improved design and low impedance are highly desired. So far, flexible electrodes have been proposed, but only a few combine flexibility with both nanostructure and low impedance. A team of researchers coordinated from the Institute of IMDEA, Nano Scientia have designed flexible thin metal electrodes with nanotopography that could be a solution. The proposed electrode surface is nanostructured by arrays of vertical metallic nanowires to improve performance by reducing impedance and more intimately interfacing individual neurons with respect to conventional flat electrodes. These electrodes can be easily integrated over the surface of already existent neural interfaces for chronic implantation, minimizing the risk of foreign body reactions and long-term glial encapsulation, and thus prolonging the life of medical implants. The electrodes could find application in technologies for neurodegenerative diseases. The majority of neural diseases are chronic or degenerative and produce very important cognitive and motor disabilities. Electrodes with particular characteristics are they needed to study the neural system and to interact with it in the search for knowledge and therapies. Lucas Perez, co-author of publication and a researcher at IMDEA, Nanoscientia, says what we have developed is a novel approach to fabricate nanostructured electrodes, easy to fabricate and integrate, that combine all the expected properties for neural electrodes. So the properties are like flexible, robust with low impedance and reduced invasiveness. Neural diseases such as spinal cord injury would be a clear target for the therapeutic application of these electrodes. We need a better understanding of our neural system. We need tools to interact, to speak with the neurons, and this is what we are looking for in the short term. We believe we can improve the performance of the electrodes. Currently it is used in neurology. So in the future, let's dream, we would like to develop a bypass for spinal cord injuries, said by Dr. Perez. So enhancing the efficiency and biocompatibility of the electrodes will facilitate and extend their use for treating neural diseases and for developing brain machine interfaces.